10 most popular NIOTs to solve water allocation problems. In recent years, nature-inspired optimization techniques has become extremely popular in solving different management and optimization related problems in engineering, science, and other relevant fields. Especially in case of water allocation problems, where the problem of water to be allocated to consumers is dealt with, these 10 NIOTs were found to be extremely efficient and thus highly popular and applied in various aspects of water allocation. The examples are particle swarm optimization, cat swarm optimization, albatross wind shear algorithm, invasive weed optimization technique, firefly optimization technique, fish swarm optimization technique, dolphin echolocation algorithm, cuckoo search algorithm, water cycle algorithm, mine blast algorithm. The in-detail tutorials, you can find those tutorials when you scan the given QR code. That means this QR code, when you scan it, you will get the free tutorials. Thank you and see you soon.